Guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about the progress bar that is created using HTML and JavaScript. First thing I want to tell you why we use progress bar in our web pages, and why and what is the main purpose of using progress bar. Progress bar shows completion progress of a task. मतलब कि if we want to complete a task, or we want to show any other web page, like after clicking a button, when we are using progress bar, the following are the events, like after clicking a button, while doing payments, when we create a payment, and while processing the payment we show the progress bar, while submitting a form or loading a web page. Okay, then first I'll show you different types of progresses bar, which will we create in our web pages like this. This is a site named HomeKit, where you can see the multiple types of progress bar which is shown in the web pages, like this one and this. You can create this type of different types of progress bar using this HTML, I mean different styling. So these are the multiple progress bar which I shown you. You can create different types according to your choices due to styling. So guys, let's see the demo first, and after that we'll see the code implementation. Okay, so this is our progress bar which is created using JavaScript and HTML. Okay, let's click this button and show the progress bar working. So the progress bar is continue from %1 to 100, and after clicking to this confirmation page, you will redirect to another site named Google. Okay, so let's see the code, how we implement this progress bar. This is simple HTML page, where I have some styling, and the elements are, this is the main which we show the progress bar. Okay, so what is this is the progress bar division, where we style our progress bar. The first div is known as id is my progress, where we style this is my progress, width 100%, and background color is has DDD, which is color of gray color. So the first color is gray color, which is shown in all the division. This is our div, where the total background color is gray color. Okay, and the color which is shown according to time, this is the another color which is green color. Okay, so the next division is my bar, which is another id, and I have created this using background color is green, and the border radius and height width. So initial height, the first division in initial height contain 100%, and the second one which is shown according to progress of task, the initial height width is 2%. Okay, and this height vary according to time, which is shown in our progress of task. Okay, so let this is our division of main division, which contain the gray color, and the second one is this is which contain the green color, and the third division is which is which shows the percentage text. This is percentage text, this is shown due to this division. Okay, so this is our code. This is button which after clicking of this button, the progress bar is shown. Okay, the script for this progress bar is here. Let's understand the script. What is this? The function name is move function. Okay, the first value of I is given, taken as 0, and the function is start when I is equal to 0, if this is f condition. Okay, when I is equal to 0, then we start our progress bar operation. Next we'll take this I is equal to 1. We have taken the element where the my bar is a division, where we show our progress bar, and the color width of the color is changes according to the function call. Okay, where this is the element where we shows the percentage text, and I am talking about this, I'm talking about this, which is showing in the next div. Okay, So the initial width is 1, where id is equal to set interval. Set interval is a function which called the this is a frame is a function. Set interval is a function which called the function which is given in the set interval function according to a time interval. This is 60 millisecond time. Okay, so according to this time the function is called repeatedly, and the action which is given inside the function perform according to the interval. Okay, when width greater than 0, greater than 100, when width is greater than 100, what we are showing, the we are showing the confirmation box where welcome to my site, and if confirmation is okay, then we redirect our page to www.google.com. okay, otherwise if width initial width is 1, if width is less than 100, then in this case this is else part. Okay, this is part where width is greater than 100, and this part is when our progress bar is on under process. Okay, in this case width increases, and the element dot style dot width plus plus. Okay, so the percentage, this is width, this is width, initial width is 2%, and the width is initially is going on progress with the color of green color. Okay, so the in else part, which where the percentage is less than, I mean width is less than 100, so in this case width increases by 1. Okay, the increment is 1 by 1. Okay, this is increment by 1. Okay, width increment by 1, and this part is shown to styling the width according to the time which is on 60 millisecond of interval. The function is called each time. So in this case we increase the style width of the element, and the next one is the text of the element, which is shown the in the percentage part of the du. Okay, so guys, you have understood what the function is doing inside the script tag. The function initially, if we run the function, if I is equal to 0, initially we have taken the I is equal to 0, and we have taken the two element. First one is which is showing the progress bar in color, a green color, and the second one which is which shows the percentage text. Okay, if and the here is we have set interval which call the function after a 60 millisecond of interval. Okay, so this is the first condition, and this one is the second condition, and with the help of this condition our progress bar is continuous when the percentage is less than, I mean width is less than 100. Okay, so again we will see the our demo of this. So when you click on this, the percentage bar, I mean percentage of width increases, and the text of also increases. When you click on this, you will redirect to another site which is www.google.com. So guys, how was the video? If you like this, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos and like this.